In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can chat with different apps on ChatGPT. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know, OpenAI just launched ChatGPT app integration, and here's how you can talk directly to those apps. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up that ChatGPT app on your device. And then if you tap this little left sidebar up here, you're going to see all of your chats. In the bottom left, go ahead and select your menu to open up your settings. In this section, you're going to see an option for apps and connectors. Go ahead and select that and choose any app. It doesn't really matter what you choose, but you're obviously going to use one that you would like. In my case, let's say I want to use Spotify. Open that up and then select connect and then hit continue to Spotify or whatever app you choose. Hit continue, log in, and then hit agree. After doing so, all you need to go ahead and do is just back out of this section and just create a new chat. And now you can type something like Spotify, show my liked songs. And ChatGPT is going to highlight the app name and pull results directly from Spotify. You can also ask it to play music, create playlists, search for artists and albums. It's pretty awesome. But that is it. Super easy to do. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.